Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. As you can see here, it's an Apple Watch. So we have an Apple Watch here. If you take this off or slide it out, so if you can see here, this is I believe the Midnight Aluminum. So it's regular aluminum, but it's just darker. And you have, I opted for the regular, bands here, not the Velcro cloth ones, just because I do work out. I intend to wear this when I work out, and my goal is to use this to help me do better with tracking of my steps and whatnot. You could argue that, hey, you probably have your phone on you all the time. Yes, I do, and I don't. So sometimes when I work out, I don't carry my phone on me, so if I'm on a treadmill or something, I don't track my steps. So hopefully wearing this watch would help. This is a 45 millimeter, and this is the, like I said earlier, the Midnight Aluminum, Midnight Blue or something like that. And this is just GPS, no cellular. And it came with this cable in here. But I do have a charging pad, so I'm curious if it would charge without me needing to plug this cable in. But overall, looks really good. I have a screen protector coming for it soon. I opted to get this one instead of the Ultra, just because I couldn't really justify that price. I do intend to wear this in the field during certain ops, but if we need to do training exercise that require nods, I wouldn't wear this, just because if you wear nods, you can actually see this thing, whatever it's called, going in, flashing off. So super excited to use it, and I will come back with a long-term review afterwards. And this is the Series 8. Got it off during Prime Day for a nice discount. So yep, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.